Hey guys, it's Michelle. Today, I will teach you how to do the EB side swing. There are 4 steps when doing the EB side swing. On your right side, the first step is do a side swing. For the second step, put your right arm behind your back and hand on the opposite pocket. For the third step, do a side swing on your left. And lastly, open your arms and swing the rope to the front. Here's what it looks like from the back when doing the EB side swing on your right side. When doing the EB side swing on your left, first is to do a side swing. Second is put your left arm behind your back and hand on the opposite pocket. Third is do a side swing on your right. And lastly, open your arms and swing the rope to the front. Here's what it looks like from the back when doing the EB side swings on your left side. You can now combine the 4 steps without pausing. Side swing right, EB side swing right, side swing left, open arms and toe catch. From the back view, side swing right, EB side swing right, side swing left, open arms and toe catch. When doing the EB side swing left, EB side swing left, side swing right, open arms and toe catch. From the back view, side swing left, EB side swing left, side swing right, open arms and toe catch. Now, try doing the EB side swings on both sides without the toe catch. You can also add basic jumps on your EB side swings to add more intensity to your sequence. From the back view, notice that I'm doing the EB side swing right straight to EB side swing left. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and train your body to get stronger.